Hello, friends and family. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you two simple chicken fried rice, one with veggies, one without veggies, but both very delicious and tasty that you can serve to your family and friends. I'll introduce my ingredients as I cook. So I have about 2 pounds of chicken here, which is already nicely cut up. And I've added a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, my ginger powder, chicken seasoning, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. And then I'll give it a stir. Once that is well mixed, I'll then add in a tablespoon of dark soy sauce and then give it a nice stir. I'll then go ahead and cover it up and leave it to marinate. Now let's begin cooking our rice. We are not using a day-old rice to make this fried rice. We are cooking a fresh rice. All right, so in the pot, I've added a 1/4 cup of oil and I've cut up a medium-sized onion. You can cut up your onion in any size you want. I've added a 1/2 tablespoon of my homemade curry powder and a tablespoon of Knoor chicken seasoning. I'll then go ahead and give it a stir. I'll leave my onion to cook for about a minute and then give it a stir. Without wasting time, I'll go ahead and add in my rice. I did not wash my rice today because I want my rice to toast very well. I'll then go ahead and give it a stir. You can wash your rice if you want your rice washed, no worries, but I didn't want to wash the rice today. I like it very nice and toasty. I'll then leave my rice to toast in the pan just for a little bit, about a minute, and then I'll give it another stir. Without wasting time, I'll go ahead and add about 5 cups of water to my rice, and then I'll give it a mix. Once it is mixed, then I'll go ahead and add in a 1/2 tablespoon of salt and then give it another mix. And we'll cover to let that cook. Once the water dissolves into the rice, we'll then go ahead and give it a mix. Yes, it is very important to mix your rice once the water dissolves into the rice. Give it a nice good mix, and then I'll use my wooden spoon to kind of poke holes into the rice. Yes, that helps the steam cooks the rice very fast. Yes, this will cook in no time. It will be done cooking within 7 to 10 minutes. I'll then go ahead and cover it with my parchment paper, and then the lid goes on, and then we'll leave it to cook. Guys, if you haven't subscribed at this point, please subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you. All right, so our rice is cooked in no time and it is looking good and perfect. Now let's begin cooking our chicken. In a wok, I've added about 4 tablespoons of oil. I'll then go ahead and put half of the chicken inside the wok. I'll be cooking the chicken in 2 batches. Once the chicken goes into the wok, I'll then leave it for about a minute before turning it. I'll then go ahead and give it a quick check to see if the bottom of the chicken is well browned, and then we'll give it a mix. Our chicken is looking good, so I'll go ahead and give it a good mix, and then we'll keep mixing until the chicken is well cooked through. And guys, I'd like to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. We've made it to 100 subscribers, guys, and I really appreciate each and every one of you for your support. God richly bless you. Thank you, and thank you for always watching. I'm truly grateful. Our chicken is well cooked now, so I'll then go ahead and remove it and set that on the side. And then we'll go ahead and cook the second batch. Our second batch of the chicken goes in, and then we'll cook it the same way we cooked the first one. We leave it for about a minute, and then we'll stir it until it is well cooked. And chicken breast cooks very fast, so you want to stay with it. Yes, so our second batch is also well cooked now. So now we are ready to begin making the fried rice. In the same wok, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I've beat 2 eggs, and then we'll scramble the eggs. Once the egg is scrambled, we'll then go ahead and add in 6 cups of cooked rice, and then we'll give it a mix. Once we mix the rice together with the egg, I'll then go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and then we'll give it a mix. There'll be no vegetables in this fried rice, but still very tasty and delicious. If you have kids that doesn't want vegetables in their fried rice, I recommend this way of making fried rice. Very, very delicious and amazing. We'll then go ahead and add in most of the chicken in this fried rice. The chicken has so much flavor. So the chicken and the rice together, oh, very, very delicious. Guys, I hope you try this. And if you do, please leave me a feedback in the comment section. We'll continue to give it a mix, and our fried rice is pretty much done. Yes, very well cooked, very well done. It looks amazing, and the kids were very excited and happy. They call this fried rice the brown Chinese rice. All right, guys, so this is done for this, and I'll then set this on the side, and let's begin making the second fried rice. So in the same wok, I've added about 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I have 2 eggs, and I've cut in 1 jalapeno peppers, and then I'll scramble my eggs. This will be a spicy chicken and vegetable fried rice. Very delicious. I'll go ahead and add in about a cup of julienne carrots or shredded carrots, and then we'll give it a stir. Then I'll add in my 4 cups of rice, and then we'll give it a mix. Once that is mixed through, I'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I'll go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of green bell peppers, and then we'll give it a stir. This fried rice is very delicious and tasty. I'll go ahead and add in my chicken and my green scallion or green onion and give it a mix. A simple and perfect way of making this Chinese better than takeout fried rice. Very delicious. And this is also done. Nothing else will be added to it. And guys, look at this delicious plate. We have some vegetable spicy chicken fried rice and a no vegetable fried rice, but yet still very tasty. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. I hope you try this recipe. God bless you, and please stay safe. Bye, guys.